farm animal. Cow, cow, cow. This is a cow. A baby cow is a calf. Calf. Cows and calves live in a barn. Barn. Cows like to eat grass. Grass. Sheep. 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 This is a sheep. A baby sheep is a lamb. Lamb. Sheep and lambs live in a barn. Barn. Sheep like to eat grass. Grass. Pig. 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 This is a pig. A baby pig is a piglet. Piglet. Pig and piglets live in a barn. Barn. Pigs like to eat grass. Grass. Duck. 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 This is a duck. A baby duck is a duckling. Duckling. Duck and ducklings live in a pond. Pound. Ducks like to eat worms. Worms. Chicken. 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 This is a chicken. A baby chicken is a chick. Chick. Chickens and chicks live in a coop. Coop. Chickens like to eat worms. Worms. Dog. 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 This is a dog. A baby dog is a puppy. Puppy. Dogs and puppies live in a house. House. Dogs like to eat bones. Bones. Cat. 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 This is a cat. A baby cat is a kitten. Kitten. Cats and kittens live in a house. House. Cats like to eat fish. Fish. Horse. 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 This is a horse. A baby horse is a foal. Foal. Horses and foals live in a barn. Barn. Horses like to eat grass. Grass.